Wagwan everybody, and welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Terry Fashionable, and in this video today the girl is gonna be bundling. She's gonna be sewing in some bundles with a closure. So here what, let me thank my sponsor Curlsqueen for sponsoring this video, and in the package I received these goodies. The packaging was neatly packed and well presented. I always like showing the packaging first so you can see exactly how the hair arrives before installation. I got 2 bundles and it's in 20 inches, and the density, which is the grams, is 150. I am loving the fullness of the weft, and you don't know, girl have to try out finger running through the hair to see if she's getting any sheddings, and can I say less than nothing? I love that. So here you have their 2x6 closure, and this is the density of it. The ends are a little thin, but it can go on. The lace is HD and it blends really good on my skin tone. So I braided my natural hair off camera, and I also parted out a small section of my natural hair so that it can blend with the closure at the front part. Sewing of the anchor braid so it doesn't unravel, and this will provide additional support that helps keep the foundation secure. So I always like to start with closure first before bundles, and I'm using my elastic band, and this helped me to establish placement and ensuring everything lay flat, of course, and I'm not joking, that closure needs to be on flat. So the girl is carefully sewing down the closure on my braided foundation and making sure it is secure and positioned exactly where I want it to be. And for this part, I use 2 needles, and when they meet up together, I just cut it and tie a few knots for it to be secure. So now that the closure is out of the way, I'm gonna move on to sewing down the bundles. And whenever you're sewing down the bundles, you always want to start out first by making few knots for starting and ending points. I'm gonna be sewing from left to right, right to left, and I'm gonna make sure that the tracks are laying flat and evenly spaced out, because I was a little bit skeptical about the 2 bundles because I didn't think it was gonna be enough for my big head. Yeah, I said it, girl, it big, so I was panicking in a way, but it actually worked out perfectly. So now that I've finished sewing down the bundles and the closure, I'm gonna go back in with a needle to secure it to the max. I don't want to see or feel any lumps or bumps overall, and especially at the front. I need it to be seamless when running my fingers through. With the closure right now, if I lift it up, you'll be able to see through it, but I've done a great job with sewing it down, so it's not necessary for me to use hairspray or glue on it because it's actually laying where it's supposed to be laid, so I don't need to do so. And even if I use the spray on it, I just feel like eventually I'm gonna sweat, so it's gonna lift, so I don't need to do that. With the closure being like 2 inches, when you sew it down, you're kind of getting like 2.5 in somewhat way. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna style it and we are out. Now I'm using the hot comb to blend my leaf out because I need my natural hair to match the kinky hair texture, and this part is very important because properly blending helps give you that flawless natural looking finish, and I know you want that. And some edge control to get the edges under control. Yes, because you know, they need to be swooping. Look how soft the hair is. Like, I'm not kidding when I'm telling you the texture and the feeling of it. It is perfectly soft as, you know what, let me shut up. And lastly, a little concealer on the part because I need the parting to be bright. And I'm adding a little oil, not too much, you know, no diddy around here, more oil. Nah, just a little. And this is almost a completed look. I need to show the curly one, but this is it being straight, and I'm gonna say that I absolutely love how silky and natural it appears. The hair has great movement and maintain its fullness, and me, I gotta tell you, me and kinky straight hair, we go together because I love when I can get up and go. Having a kinky straight hair, I'll just brush it out and go. I'm not the type to press it out, or I should say straighten it out. No, I prefer it in this state. I love seeing the crimps and how full it looks, because if I should press it out, it will be flat. I love it with the volume to it. So now I'm gonna be showing you how it looks with it being curled up, and I'm not gonna apply too much heat to it, but yes, I'm gonna curl it up. So the girl give it 2 looks. Yes, and I'm here for both of them. Overall, I am impressed with the kinky straight hair. The texture feels so soft and natural, and it blends beautiful with my hair texture. And the bundles are full from root to ends, so you don't have to worry about cutting anything unless you're going for a layered style, you know. But I'm telling you, the hairstyles very easily, and I noticed minimal shedding during the installation and styling, which that is always a plus. And I'm gonna say the closure and the bundles are 2 different texture. Like the closure more mimic my natural hair texture compared to the bundles. Yes, that's about it. Anyway guys, if you are interested in this kinky straight hair, bundles, closure, all the information will be provided down below. You can just click on it, and don't be afraid if you haven't already subscribed to the girl channel, like hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. Yeah, anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah,
talk to me now. Looking at me face and talk to me now. Shimmy, shimmy, shake, one bad piano. We a string, but the ass so fat.